somebody, your name is AGK. You are having an erection dysfunction. For a long time, this AGK married. Mano dogu eji alunya bolu dara potobonu nala. Madu bajiri na mo. Oh mere wa bolobia. You supposed to marry, you end up not marrying her. The vow that you are marrying another person will not work. Ojido dogunge bajie na mo. Don't be ashamed. Come out and be free, or else you go the way you are. The person I'm talking is married. Bring that brother, let me see. Bring that fine guy. Yes. The Lord is speaking about you. Do you know why he's crying? No dogu, no marriage. Nah, do you promise a girl marriage before you marry this girl? Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
The girl you promised marriage, why didn't you marry her?
She told me she's pregnant. I pay her bride, did everything. Later, I find out the child is not mine.
How do you find out the child is? Did you do DNA? No. How do you find out the child? I want to follow this matter. She became pregnant, you went to pay the bride price?
Yes.
After giving birth, you find out the baby is not yours?
Yes.
Okay, how do you find out the baby is not yours?
I saw the child and I asked her, who child is this? She said it's mine. Before she gave birth, I asked her.
She said it's your baby?
Yes.
After she gave birth, what happened?
The bond is not there. I'm looking at the baby. I told her this child is not mine. Which all my family member confirmed the baby is not ours.
How can you know it's not mine? A baby can resemble somebody different. Do you do DNA test?
No, Daddy, no.
So you marry another person now? Huh?
Yes.
Where is the new one you married?
She's around.
Let her come. Oh. Huh?
We just got there.
Are you the new one you married? Come close here. Stand up. Since you married this man, the odogu, the manhood, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
If fairy incense, okay, kuli. Itoya ha kuli anybody budike o ieji maradike role obotobono na iburi sense feri odogwu amuru na Anambra kulie obotobono na na kulita. I want to see that you pay the bride price.
Yes.
Have you returned the bride price? Did she return it?
I refuse.
You refuse to do what?
To collect.
You refuse to collect?
Yes.
That means, how do you refuse when you go on and marry another person?
I told her I don't want to have anything to do with that. It should just go with the family.
You don't want to do anything? This girl you are talking is from which state?
Anambra.
And you are from which state?
Anambra.
When I said Odogwa Amuru na Anambra, it's an egwu. And your new wife is from where?
Enugu.
Okay, the manhood is crippled totally, and I know what crippled it. I know what happened, where somebody went. I don't call somebody out name. This person I'm talking now, I know how they cripple your manhood. It will not work again. You and this girl will be like a woman and a woman until things are done properly. I want to see the girl. Oh?
Yes, sir.
After this, is she a Zion member?
No.
Okay, I want to see her. I want to make peace. Even if, Did you pay the nekulito? On what about same where barrier? Kulita Bina Angumeko Angumot Abea Dalimaro. Now, when you went to marry this man, are you aware that he paid a bride price on somebody?
He told me.
He told you?
He told me about the girl. I asked him if he's sure that the baby is not his or he said yes. That after the marriage, after he had paid the price, that the girl confirmed to their sister that the baby was not my husband, but he just claimed that he's my husband because he loved him.
Oga, I want to see the girl. They will get the number, we call her and make peace. I will call you Odogu. Your Odogu will come out with the force, ready to damage any damageable. But I want to make peace with you and that lady. First, are you hearing me? Nekuliebe wana akwa. Iya akwa na eberi have maka Odogu.
We just got there.
Okay, do you want me to pray for your husband? Wait, you want me to pray for him to have money and let Odogu remain the way it is? Or do you want Odogu and money? Which one do you want? No, tell me the first you want, the one you want.
I want them to come back.
You want what? Eh? Oh yeah, bye. You don't want. Which one do you want? So, una achọ ego Odogu ka unu chọrọ. Nna mepe ọnụ, may the mercy of God come upon you. You're a nice guy. You never make mistake. But also, you run very fast. You run very fast. Stop running. Ihe dị na nwaanyị a na-ekulu down. Marriage thing a na-ekulu down. Don't run very fast next time. I want to see the girl and the baby. We will have a close indoor meeting. We will make peace. Your Odogu will come back. Even from this night, it will begin to. But the perfection, I want to make peace before I pray for you fully. But the mercy of God is. Amen.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. What I'm going to every woman salute that man beside him. Salute that man, Ikaraka. Salute that man beside you. Salute. What can easy?
Yeah, I believe that you watch this video because sometimes many men now then they put themselves into trouble. Though we never confirm whether with the child his child or not be his child. But sometimes this kind of thing then happen. Maybe man go just pursue her wife, carry one allegation, pursue her wife away. Her wife go to the chief doctor, go do bad spiritual work against the man, and that thing where the wife do will start affecting that man. Sometimes you go promise girl, I will marry you, I will marry you, I will marry you. You will delay the time of that girl. Later you go marry another girl. All this kind of thing that affect people. Even if that girl or that man no go to native doctor, the thing that affects, it will affect you. Or you are a young girl and you promise man he go marry you. You and that man there. Along the line, you disappointed that man, leave that man, go and meet another person. All those kind of things that affect. It affect. Though this one, if they say because we never talk say na that child, whether na the man born or not be that man born. But I want to use this thing to talk what is happening on this earth, because this kind of thing that happen. It happens so many places. So many girls will break the heart of their fiancé, go to another man go marry him. And many boys they disappoint some their girls So this kind of thing, it affect well. So if you're a young man, you never married, be very careful how you open your mouth, tell it, I want to marry, I want to marry you. If you're a young girl, know how you are talking, because as you don't promise him, you go marry him. If you don't come marry him again, you may become trouble tomorrow. So mind the way you talk. Thank you and God bless you.